Welcome to Entropy Technologies. This walkthrough covers the standard workflow: create or open a patient, add blood test results, generate a structured report, refine the patient-facing summary, and export a practitioner-led PDF. You can start by creating a new patient by clicking the Add Client button in the top right corner and filling in the required details. You can also press on the button Shareable Form Link to generate a temporary link where your patient can fill in their information themselves. Alternatively, you can select an existing patient by clicking on their name from the list. You are now on the patient page. Create a new episode by selecting New Blood Test. Entropy Technologies is a structured physiology and relational biomarker engine. It maps relationships between biomarkers and physiological systems, then presents patterns in a format built for clinical review. The practitioner remains the decision maker throughout. Next, add results to the episode. There are two supported paths. Order a panel through an integrated pathology provider where available. Upload results you have already ordered through your preferred lab. If you order in-app, the referral workflow is handled inside the platform. If you already have results, upload the report file. After extracting all blood biomarkers from the PDF report, please verify that the information is accurate. When results are in place, run the analysis. The report is generated in seconds. Runtime depends on panel size and the number of parameters included. When processing completes, review the report using the section tabs. Start with blood analysis. Blood analysis provides biomarker-level structure, physiological interpretation for each marker, rationale behind each recommendation, connections to related systems and upstream drivers. This is not a generic lab interpretation. Ranges are patient-specific and context-aware, rather than population average reference ranges. Move to blood statistics. Blood statistics summarizes distribution across clinical arenas and root cause categories for the episode. Now go to Main Findings. Main Findings consolidates the analysis into an executive clinical view. It provides the key patterns identified, personalized recommendations, and some actionable steps for the patient. Next, review food recommendations. Food recommendations are computed from the physiological implications of nutritional components within each food entry. Each card is expandable. This section provides foods aligned to the patient's current physiology, foods that conflict with the current pattern set, patient-ready guidance derived from biomarker patterns. If you also deliver meals, open meals. Meal plans package practitioner-reviewed recommendations into a patient-ready structure. Meals can be replaced and regenerated without changing the underlying analysis. Beyond weekly meal plans, you can also generate additional snack options. Beyond individual reports, Entropy allows you to build structured care pathways. Pathways systemize progression across focus areas: detoxification, hormone balance, metabolic optimization, gut restoration. They provide consistent structure across your practice while preserving personalization. When the report is ready for the client, export the patient-ready PDF. You control what's included. Use the left panel to select sections and configure contents. Preview the document on the right by clicking Compile and Save. When complete, press the Download button to download the file. Entropy generates a clinically grounded patient summary from the biomarker patterns identified. You decide how it's communicated. If you want the language refined to match your voice: gut-focused, metabolic, functional, performance, adapt the summary to reflect your practice. This is communication refinement only. The analysis remains unchanged. You can edit, remove, or add clinical context before anything is shared. You can even put your own branding on the report by pressing the button Edit Header. This will take you to the branding section in the settings, where you can configure your theme and other branding details. These branding information would be reflected in rest of the application and in the report. For more information, onboarding resources and documentation, visit entropy-technologies.com.